I don't think I have enough sticky notes. I mean, I could probably use a couple more, maybe. What do you think? I mean, I've got some of these ones. You know you're an OG planner girl when you know where these came from. The coveted ones. These two. Which one? Oh, sorry. Which one? Yeah. I think I have a sticky note problem along with a pen problem and a sticker problem. Hey everyone, so here is my aftermath of filming my video. I still have to fill out this last weekend and then film this week's plan with me, but I'm going to take a break because this one will go up Wednesday, so it's not the hugest thing. But this morning we went and got a chest freezer, and this whole weekend I just didn't feel good, so that's why I kind of had the snippets of stuff. For the weekend, I really didn't get a lot done. I actually slept almost all of yesterday, but yeah, that I finally got this done, so that's good. Now to edit and upload it. Also, I wanted to say thank you for all the love on the last studio vlog. You guys seem to really like it, and I'm really glad that you are, and yeah, it just makes me feel good that you guys understand and that you appreciate me being a little more vulnerable than maybe some other people, or just being a little more vulnerable. Hey guys, good morning. I am just getting to work. I have orders to fill and drawings to finalize, and yeah, I have just been not feeling well the last few days. I think it's the combination of high ragweed, so my allergies are just going insane. And I got a flu shot, which has been giving me migraines, so it's really hard to get anything done, but I have to today because orders still gotta go out. So I got my coffee, lots of meds in me, and we're gonna do this thing today. So that's what's going on. So I am definitely not in my house. I ran out of ink and silly me did not have a backup like I almost always do, and I'm on the hunt for it now because my Walmart closest to my house doesn't have it even though they say they do. So now I gotta go find other ones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order one on Amazon. That way if I don't find it, because my Staples hasn't had it in months, and if this other one Walmart doesn't have it, then it'll still get here. So the order just might have to wait for a little bit, which sucks. Success. Woohoo. This is one hefty order. Woohoo. And off to its home it goes. Hey guys, look, I can really look nice. I had to get my Oklahoma driver's license today, so I wanted to look a little nice. But yeah, I haven't gotten anything done. I woke up just feeling really sick, and then I had to spend the morning doing the driver's license thing, so then I came home and slept. I'm having a little bit of creative block for the kit that I was hoping to get out this week, so it's probably not going to happen until next week, so it's okay. And yeah, so that's kind of what's going on. I kind of went more in depth with it on Instagram. That's another great place to follow me if you're not following me already. Why aren't you? We have a roto-rooter guy coming to fix our drain, hopefully. It's been about a week. But yeah, that's what has been going on, and not a lot. Hey everyone, I just want to close out the vlog. I decided I am not going to put that kit out this week or next week. I'm just not feeling it, and I'm not going to force it. Because when you force stuff, then you don't love it. And if you don't love it, it doesn't sell. And then you get really mad because you put time into it, and yeah. So I'm just not going to. I am going to, though, instead have some functionals that are more, functional sets that are more for the warmer months. So warmer colors, Thanksgiving colors, that kind of stuff. So look for those. They will be up when this is up. So go check out my shop, Butterfly Planner. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.